Hi, this is Ken with Village Green Lawn and Pest, and in this video, we're answering some of the more common questions that we get. So when folks call in asking us to talk with them about their lawn, our first question is, what are you looking to improve on in your lawn? We're at the front end of our conversation. We're not really trying to find out what we can sell, how much we can sell, and those types of things. We're not looking at really even programs we're trying to offer. First, what we're trying to do is find out what is the concern that you have, and making sure that this is something that we can actually help you solve. Sometimes we need to come out to your lawn. A lot of times when you give us a call, we'll ask you a lot of questions at the beginning before we even get to talk about our programs. We'll ask a lot of questions about what's going on. We'll pull up online photos, overhead photos, and sometimes street view to get a better feel for your place. A lot of times we can actually sort out what's going on in your lawn and give you some recommendations and then talk about the programs before we even need to go out to your home. That said, if you really feel like we need to come out and take a look, of course we'll be glad to stop by and visit and talk with you about your lawn. But again, a lot of times we can answer those questions even just from the overhead photos and street view. This is Ken with Village Green. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.